I'm Sandra. Thank you for joining me.
Hi, welcome to Healthy Living in a Toxic World.
Nutrition, wellness practices, and toxin-free living every day.
Let's get started.
After 30 years in healthcare, I have come to realize that what we have been told healthcare isn't healthcare. We are a chronically sick country. And after spending 10 years of my early career in nutrition dietetics and then the last 20 in nursing, one of the things I have found is we're on our own. We are not going to be able to rely on the government, institutions, regulations to control the things we are exposed to in our food supply. And if you, like myself, have awakened in the last 10 years or so and are realizing this isn't healthy. What we get exposed to on a daily basis in the personal products we use, in our food, in our air, in our environment, the clothing, just our way of life. We have so many toxins that we are exposed to. It's no wonder that we are as chronically ill as we are as a country. The main purpose of this podcast, I want to start a community of people like-minded like myself who are realizing what we're facing. I intend to share things that I do on a daily basis to try to live as toxin-free as possible and as healthy as possible. I plan to share personal products that I use, recipes, how I shop, how I live, things that I'm trying to do to reduce my toxic load. I would love to hear from people out there. What do you do? What are some of the tricks you have discovered? What are some of the daily habits you do? Maybe between all of us, we can learn how to live in a way that we expose ourselves as little as possible to things that are in our environment. You know, one of the things that I'm so upset about is how our health system has degenerated into what it is. If I have an accident or a trauma, don't send me to a naturopath. Take me to the ER. Our modern medicine, as far as trauma-based care, unbelievable. Diagnosing, unbelievable. But our taking care of the chronically ill, if you haven't realized by now, it's just a revolving door of not really getting you well, but making you just well enough, but you still have to come back for more medications, more testing, whatever. And the things that I have learned after 20 years of nursing and 10 years in nutrition, I'm just going to say it. We've been lied to about a lot of things. How about how every day you have a new one? This was good yesterday, now it's bad. Is fat good? Is fat bad? Is eating meat good or bad? Have you noticed some of the agendas around that? The eating meat, they want you to eat bugs, not meat. I don't want bugs. I don't know about you. But anyway, those are some of the things I plan to do. I thought it was important in this first podcast to talk to you about who I am, what I plan to do. I hope you will like and subscribe to the channel. Come back for more content. I'm going to try to get on to a regular schedule of one day I'll share recipes. The next day I'll share shopping. I'm going to provide links to healthy products, not just tell you about them. I want to make it easy for you also to purchase things. I plan to present things that are going to help you on a daily basis to make wise choices in shopping, what you purchase. Like I said, if you're somebody that wants to share something you do, please contact me. And I'd love to have you on the podcast. You can contact me through my website, healthylivinginaToxicWorld.com. I do private coaching on living toxin free. I want to find people that are like-minded, my tribe out there who is trying the best they can too. And if you're just waking up to all this, maybe I can help you. I realized once I started down this path, I didn't realize the things I was buying, the things I was exposing myself to. It sometimes is surprising. One of the first videos I'm going to do is talking about, we are used to washing our clothes in a detergent. It's all about the name brand bottle and the scents that are put in our laundry detergents. This stuff sits on our skin the whole day. Do you pay attention to the clothing you wear? Is it polyester? Is it cotton? Is it linen? I went through my closet when I started waking up, and I didn't realize how much I had in my closet that was polyester. That's basically plastic. You wear that all day long. And then if you wash it in a detergent that has fragrance and surfactants and emulsifiers and all the things, you're having your skin exposed to that all day, sitting in plastic, going through your pores, and then you're absorbing that. And we wonder why we have such an increase in autoimmune diseases, cancer, all the diseases that are based on your body having to have an immune reaction. It's bad enough if you live in the city, you're smelling polluted air. If you're in a city where your drinking water may not be the best, are you filtering your water? Are you paying attention to what you drink? One of the videos I want to do first, which is going to take a lot of work, is on water, how important water is. You know, part of the process of getting this started is learning editing. I planned this channel for a year, and as a longtime YouTube consumer, I never had so much respect as I do now for the creators. This is hard. I kept putting it off. Finally, today I'm going to do it. This is going to be what it is. I hope you'll forgive me if this video isn't the greatest. I'm learning. Please make a comment down below. What kind of videos would you be most interested in me covering? I have a few to get started. And if there's something more that you'd like to have me do the deep dive on, please let me know. I hope I bring an angle to the things that I discuss that perhaps you don't find everywhere, because I know there's a million health channels out there and it's so confusing. And I'm going to cover that when somebody says this, but it's really that. I want to cover all angles of the health topics so that maybe you understand, even though someone may say something, why it's not the best. So I hope you'll come along with me on this journey. Like I said, like and subscribe. Go to my website, healthylivinginatoxicworld.com. I hope to hear from you. I have a newsletter there. If you sign up, I will give you a free ebook that I wrote that kind of is a guide to shopping, label reading, things like that. I plan to do giveaways in the future. And as we proceed, I do hope you'll become part of the family by signing up on my newsletter list. I'll be sending that out regularly. It'll have tips on products to purchase, new health information coming out, all of that. I'm hoping to have guests that will help enlighten you on some of the things that I have found out that perhaps you didn't know about healthy living. Like and subscribe, make a comment below. That would really help this channel to grow. Go to my website. I do have merchandise available. Here's one of my shirts, Healthy Living in a Toxic World. I have hoodies, a travel mug that's stainless, and I hope that you'll come along with me. Let's form a family, a tribe of people trying to live healthy in this toxic world. Thank you, and please watch my next episode. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So looking forward to this next journey.